Hello, Mr. Forbes. This is a short explanation of the project that I have been working on for the final assignment, which consists of the 5 functions of management. So, my name is Raphael Slattery. I'm the owner of RS Hair Salon. We are living very difficult times because of the coronavirus. In fact, about 1 week ago, my hair salon was forced to close because of COVID-19. My hair salons include a variety of services such as hairstyling, makeup, nails, and a boutique to come and buy your favorite products. Right now, my salon can keep doing business because of the boutique, luckily. In fact, I focus on selling my products via internet. Here is a blog to describe how my fellow employees and I make this work. In fact, it is very important to see the positive sides of this quarantine and make life continue. I will be concentrating on the 5 functions of management. I will be doing a brief explanation of each function and how I use this function for this particular situation. The 5 functions of management are planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. And as you can see, I decided to do a video and a part on my website on staffing because it really applies to my case. Now for a little interaction, at the end of each video, I'll be having little questions that will make you interact with me. So what is the 4th management function that I will be talking about in this project? Is it A, organizing, B, breathing, C, staffing, and D, leading? So the correct answer is leading. Now, if you continue on my website, you will see another section of the project, and the first section is planning. Thank you.